famous
Hello, this
Hoover
is
Dam.
Bailey, and coming to you from the Hoover Dam in Nevada, USA. The Hoover Dam began construction in 1931, and it took 5 years to complete, which is 2 years ahead of schedule. The Hoover Dam required 5,000 men to build, and they only got paid $4 for the day.
As you look over the railing, you will see the
and they only
tallest
got 2
concrete dam in
days
the
off
Western
out of the
Hemisphere.
whole year.
Hoover
The
Dam stands
Hoover Dam has so much
726 feet
concrete
tall
that
and
it could
stretches
create a 3-inch thick,
1,244 feet
4-foot
across the top,
wide sidewalk
only
around the
78
world.
feet across the base.
Dams are
It
used
looks
to block
somewhat
water
like an
when it's
upside-down
heavy raining.
This massive
This is Hoover Dam
arch-gravity
behind me,
structure
and
contains
the Lake Mead, which is a man-made lake. The Colorado runs
That's
in.
enough concrete
The Colorado
to build
River runs
the
into that
two-lane
lake.
highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet, but as the dam expands towards the base, it reaches